Hello and welcome to an audio and video review of a K Custom Dark Ride 20 inches. This one is actually a 4 rivet pattern. The rivets are no longer installed, but somebody drilled 4 holes. They're professionally drilled. Usually you see that coming up as a 3 pattern, but it is a 4. So anyway, the rivets are not there, so you can put 1, 2, 3, or 4. Great cymbal, I love it. It's dark, definitely, as the name suggests. Has a great wash, but it's not very pronounced. In other words, it'll keep a nice solid beat throughout without crashing too much. The bell is outstanding, no doubt about that. But anyway, you're here to check out the sound, not to hear me talking. For those who care, it's 2303, the grams, 2,303 grams. All right, 900 cymbals, maybe 1,000 in stock. 247drums.com. Catch you soon. Thank you.